Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is released by the FBI, and it has to do with the complaints and the losses and money of all sorts of scam onlines, from scams that are phishing attempts that made you click on something, ransomware. It could be products that you purchased, paid for, but never got delivered, all sorts of things like that. And this is the state of how it's going right now. So from 2019 to 2023, so of course you see that 2023, it's worse and worse every year, and all indications seem to show that 2024 will be worse than 2023. 880,000 complaints have been passed, but $12.5 billion lost. So all sorts of scam, like I said, from phishing scams to calls that you get from fake, they pretend they are this or that company and so on. So, be very careful. I think the only way to reverse this is really education and self-confidence, because the thing is, no company, if a company calls you and says, for example, that a payment hasn't passed, that they need your credit card or need your banking account info, do not do that. You do not give to someone you don't know who they are any information over the phone. You call the company. If somebody calls and says your payment didn't go through and you need to give details, you hang up and you call the company with the information you have on, the bill from that company and so on. Bank, call your bank. Call it yourself. Go and find what's the number on the website. Call the number you see on the website, and you will see that 99% of the time it's a scam. And they're going to say, no, we don't call and we don't ask for payment details. It's always the same thing. Always remember a very simple rule. Any personal information that you have to give over the phone from somebody that called you, don't do it. And you just tell them that you're going to call yourself or go to the bank if you live near it, or whatever company, call them yourself. Of course, they're not going to want you to do that because they are trying to scam you. But make sure that you understand that we don't give any personal details on the phone. If you have online accounts, then go see your account. If your account has nothing special, for example, I got a email today that says that, we just charged an iPad on your PayPal account. There's no iPad charged on my PayPal account, but the email has the link for me to click what looks like PayPal and then enter my personal information, the login details, the passwords. Why? Because that's how they're going to steal money off of me. So, there's all sorts of things like that happening. Don't fall for it. Be very careful online. You don't click anything on an attachment unless you're really sure that you get an attachment with something important. And, fake UPS and delivery companies, invoices, and packages that are waiting for you to somewhere, and that you got to click a link, all of that. It's all fake stuff. So be very careful, because what we see here is a trend where more and more people are losing money. And that is sad, because, that's why more and more scammers are trying to get you. They know there's money behind it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.